Gav and myself were running an open home in Bellevue Hill. There was another agency opening a property just further down the street. And I saw this one buyer come out of their open home and get into his car. And I tapped on his window and I'm like, can I help you find a property? And he was like, yeah, absolutely. He's like, no other agents asked me to do that. I called him every day. I tried to find him properties. On the other side of the coin, he had like an unbelievable property. He had a penthouse apartment in Rose Bay. So I was servicing him, trying to find him a property. Finally, one of the directors in the office that Gav and I were in at the time rolls in and he's like, I've got this property. It's in Rose Bay. It's got amazing views, blah, blah, blah. I've got it for this weekend. And then on Monday, they're giving it to another agent. I put this gentleman in touch with Gav. Gav meets up with the owner and we do this deal over the weekend. On the Monday, the guy goes, that was unbelievable. I can't believe that someone would actually go out of their way to service me how you did. You got my apartment exclusively, set a record for his apartment, set a record for the property that he bought. That's the start. That's when we were away.